Getting around in Cannes, the French Riviera plus the Cannes Film Festival plus classic cars equals a match made in heaven. To make like a film star or movie mogul, cruise in some vintage wheels, buzz around on a Vespa or rent a superyacht. Classic cars, with the roof down, the wind in your hair and the sun on your face, the Riviera is your oyster. Or simply cruise the Croisette, looking cool. Star power. Former 007 Pierce Brosnan knows a thing or two about looking cool in Cannes. Son of Clint, Scott Eastwood is another actor looking the part in the south of France. Wedding wheels. A classic Morgan sports car as your wedding wheels with the Riviera as the backdrop is about as romantic as it gets. Vespa, for a more carefree ride. A nippy little Vespa in the mode of Gregory Peck and Audrey Hepburn in Roman Holiday could be the thing. Beat the traffic. Traffic during the Cannes Film Festival is notorious, but a two-wheeler can get you out of the jams and out to the beach in no time. Superyacht. A superyacht is the ultimate status symbol in Cannes, available for rental for pocket change if you're a superstar. Floating hotels. Some of the luxury yachts for charter in Cannes are like 8-star hotels, according to Jenny Caird at 212 Degrees Yachts.